Hi, I'm Maitri Ramaya. I am a nutritionist and an inch loss expert, and I represent my company, Cherish Your Body. So while Shatavari continues to mystify scientists, Ayurvedic doctors simply say that the plant restores balance due to its innate qualities. And this has to do with a concept that eludes modern medicine. The dosha system that works with natural fundamental qualities inherent in animals, humans, and even the nature. From the Ayurvedic perspective, when doshas are out of balance, symptoms appear. When they are in balance, health, happiness, and vitality flourish. Shatavari is used to balance both Vitta and Pitta doshas. Kapha constitutions should, however, note that it can slightly increase Kapha. Shatavari is a Rasayana herb which is Sanskrit for path of essence. Relating to health, Rasayana herbs are known to promote health, longevity, and vitality. When we relate it to the doshas, we find that Shatavari supports not only the hormonal system but also the path or the essence of life. Shatavari is known to elevate an aggravated Pitta dosh that is inclined to create heat-related symptoms, such as uterine bleeding and heavy menstrual flow. And for those going through menopause, Shatavari is known to treat hot flashes, depression, sleep disorders, and even memory loss. And usually all these symptoms are related to an increased Pitta. Because the Vata dosha governs the movement and actions of the body and the nervous system, Shatavari is often used to treat anxiety, which is a common Vata symptom. The plant is known to calm the nervous system and promote sound sleep. Women's health requires nutrients for balance, energy, relaxation, and reproductive wellness. In this role, Shatavari is a leader amongst all Ayurvedic herbs. However, like the mind, body, and soul, none of the nature's plants are one-dimensional. Shatavari may also have a beneficial effect on the male reproductive system, on mental stress, on blood sugar balance, digestive issues, and even the skin. It is also an anti-inflammatory, immune builder, and depression fighter, can be taken as a supplement or used topically. So Shatavari has a long use in Ayurveda for increasing sattva. Sattva is the healing energy found inside the body. It also increases ojas. Now, ojas is a Sanskrit word loaded with meaning. Ojas is often explained as the subtle essence of all the vital fluids responsible for health, vitality, strength, even for longevity, emotional balance, to boost your immunity as well as spiritual growth. As a plant that increases ojas, Shatavari invigorates the body and mind for essential energy. It infuses tissues with strength and endurance and protects the health and vitality of the cells, affecting and influencing all bodily functions and physiological processes. So if you're not already using Shatavari in your daily routine, now might be a good time to start. Leave a comment in the comments box beneath and tell me what was the difference you saw after introducing Shatavari. We will be coming up with more videos. Stay tuned.